In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at how we can set up our database. Now, in order to work with database, here we'll be making use of MySQL. One can visit this website dev.mysql.com, downloads Workbench, and here, based on the operating system, you can choose the version which you want to download and install. Once you have installed it, all you need to do is go to Visual Studio and here type MySQL and specify -u. Root is the default username, and then press -p, enter. It will ask for the password. Remember the password that you will set up at the time of the installation. So I'll be entering mine over here, and once it's authenticated, you'll be at the MySQL command prompt. Now here we'll be actually creating a database by making use of create database command. So we'll say create database, and we'll be creating a courses app database. Press enter, and here it has created the database. Now we'll create a user which will be accessing this database. So we'll say create user, and then the name of the user will be courses app, and the server where this database resides is localhost. So we'll say it like this, localhost, and it will be identified by the database courses app semicolon. Press enter now. After this, we'll be granting this particular user all the permissions to work on this database. So we'll say courses app database to this user, courses app at local host semicolon. So we're granting all the permissions now to this user. Here I have a typo actually, so it will be grant all on, which I missed over here, and then the database name to user. So that's done now. Press enter, and there we go. Now what we'll do is we'll check it out whether this user can access the database or not. So we'll say exit over here, and again we'll say MySQL -u, and this time the username will be courses app, and press enter after writing -p. So here it will ask for the password. Now we know the password over here, so we'll enter that, and there we go. We are now inside the database, and the next lecture we'll see how we can connect to this particular database that we just now created from our Laravel application.